In this video I will teach you how you can become that guy who is respected by everyone, who is living a cool interesting life, who can do whatever he wants whenever the fuck he wants, who's got many women wanting to be with him, and got men wanting to be friends with him. So here's what you will need to do in order to become that guy. Fitness. Start training, whether it's with lifting weights or with doing calisthenics. Just do some kind of training so you don't look like complete fucking garbage. And for your diet. If you eat junk food all the time and you eat little to no healthy food, the best advice I can give you is to start increasing the amount of healthy foods you eat. And start decreasing the amount of junk food you eat. Don't remove the junk food completely just yet. Keep increasing the healthy foods and decreasing the junk food you eat every day. And with time you will eventually get to a point where you only consume healthy foods. And the last thing about fitness is to get in a martial arts gym. Because no matter how much you can bench, if you don't know how to fight, a skinny ass boxer can beat your ass. Appearance. To improve the attractiveness of your face, watch the videos I've made on the topic, which will be linked down below. To improve your hygiene. Cut your nails regularly. Clean your teeth using a floss and a toothbrush. And shower every day. To improve your fashion. Wear clean masculine clothes like the old money style. Avoid being a fucking pedophile by wearing those clothes of little boys. Or the clothes that rappers and superstars wear these days. Money. If you can make 5K from an online business, you can be able to travel around the world and live a cool ass life. And you can post about it on your socials, which will make people want to be in your life. This is the easiest time in the history of humankind to get rich. Motherfuckers be telling me they don't have any opportunities. I literally see opportunities everywhere. I'm pissed off not about the lack of opportunities, but the lack of time I have in my day to focus on more opportunities and business ideas. I can only focus on 2 or a max of 3 businesses at once. I will talk about making money in more detail in future videos. But for now I will leave you with one piece of advice, and that is, it doesn't matter what you do. What matters is how you do what you do. I can work on any kind of business and I would still get rich from that business. Doesn't matter if it's selling computers, or selling cupcakes, or selling my own fucking poop. And that's because I know the skill of making money. So that's all I'm gonna say for now about these 3 subjects. But there is of course more things you should do. Like start meditating, gratitude journaling, and going out to nature to improve your mental health. Start following a strict daily schedule to max out your productivity. And few more things that I will discuss in future videos. But for now, just writing goals that you want to achieve in this year. And doing whatever it takes to achieve those goals. You're doing better than 90% of people. That's all for this video, boys. If you feel lost and don't know what to do with your life, I offer you my life-changing one-on-one coaching service. If you want to know more about it, send me an email to this email address. Keep grinding, boys, we will all make it, inshallah.